let's continue looking at the bones. So let's start by looking at Canvas. Again, keep an eye on the right side of your screen that will have upcoming due dates. We have that pre-lab quiz first on worksheet 5, so print it out, look at it, then answer those 5 multiple choice questions, and then click on worksheet 5 here. And again, this is going to be similar to the last worksheet. So you're going to have a lot of drawing to do. And so you have to pick your strategy. I recommend printing the whole thing and then drawing and answering questions and labeling right on the page. Your other option is to make all of your pictures on a separate piece of paper and take a picture of that and upload it. Okay, so you really need to figure out the best way for you to do the drawing aspect. Now, keep in mind, I will not give you points if you copy and paste some sort of digital image as your picture. Will also not give you points if you're copying someone else's picture. So if multiple people submit the same drawing, I can tell that that is happening. So draw it yourself. Take a minute, draw the pictures. This is really going to help you learn drawing things out, getting that connection. Okay. So let's look at the worksheet. So again, name, section, date. We're following the appendicular section in your lab manual. We want to look at the bones, identify, label them, relate structure to function, distinguish male from female. So you're going to answer some questions, and then you're going to draw the bones of the arm and the forearm. Okay. Answer some more questions, draw the bones of your hands. This is a tough one for people. You really need to know the different bones here so that it is a little bit of a challenge. Okay, activity 3 here, it says to palpate your surface anatomy. This just means to like gently touch those bones in your own body. So see if you can figure out where your clavicle is and see if you can get an idea for the shape in your body as you touch your own clavicle. And then your different joints and your scapula, etc. Okay, then we're moving on. You're drawing the leg bones, then you're moving down. Now, anytime I ask a question about a landmark, this is a landmark that's very important, okay? So you really want to pay attention to the landmarks I ask you about, like the lateral and medial condyles, right? The tibial tuberosity. Really pay attention to the landmarks that there are questions about. Okay, those it's a little bit of a clue. Okay, then we're doing the bones of the feet. Okay, and answering some questions about this. It's a little shorter than the last worksheet, but again, we're building up our knowledge of bones here. As always, if you have questions, please shoot me an email.